Hello guys, this is your RP Sir. Hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know what is the best thing happening in Unacademy from tomorrow, that is 31st July? So English batch for SSC JE State AE JE will be starting from tomorrow, that is 31st July, right? So don't miss this, all of you. So on the demand of the students, Unacademy has started these English batches for State AE JE and SSC, right? So don't miss this, everyone. SSC JE, don't miss this, all of you. You can subscribe to these plus courses in the link given in the description and use the referral code RPCIVIL, right? Or you can use the code champion. And do you want to know what is other thing is happening? So that's 12 plus 2 offer. 12 months if you take 2 months extra, 24 months if you take 4 months extra subscription, will be getting only up to 31st July, right? After that, that offer will not be there, and 6 months subscription price will be increasing, right? So hurry up guys. So you can find link in the description, use the referral code RPCIVIL and share this information to all the needy people, right? Thank you, all the best.